What type of safety precautions is used in the workshop in the trade of refrigeration and air conditioning? Accident causes due to absence of mind, overconfidence, ignorance, non-experience, loose dress, improper use of tools and carelessness, etc. So, these all can be avoided very easily if you will be alert. First of all, keep the workplace tidy and clean. And second one is always put on recommended uniform on wear loose clothes. And main point is don't be overconfident. Do not operate any machine without instructions. Don't oil or clean machine while it is working. Never work on underguard moving machine. Don't work on any machine which is installed on a dangerous plate. If any machine produces unusual sound, stop it immediately. Don't work on gases in a closed room. So, never overcharge cylinder with the gas. Suppose if you have refrigerant cylinder capacity 5 kg, then 1 kg approximately half kg gap should be there. So never overcharge cylinders with gas. Don't touch any insulated or bare conductors. Must we use gas masks while working in ammonia, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, or in this type of refrigerants? Next one is check everything of the machine before putting it in operation. Always use line valves. Always use pressure gauges while filling gases or testing leaks and flushing the refrigerating machine. Also used gloves when handling the glass wool. When you work on the glass wool, then must we use the gloves. So next one is never store more tools at the work spot. Keep your tools under lock and key. Mark or arrange any sign or signal where a dangerous thing is placed. There should be a fire extinguisher or any other firefighting equipment so that in case of fire it can be extinguished immediately. Don't use any tool other than recommended for the job. So never use blunt edges tool. Don't smoke or make fire near combustible things such as petrol, spirit, kerosene oil, etc. Don't wander in the workshop barefooted. Keep a first aid box in the workshop. Next one is electrical equipment must never be launched with wet hands. So these all types of safety precautions are used in your workshop.